YouTube? Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review, another shoe on the table today. Package from Foot Locker. Let's get into this one. First off, okay, as you see, this is different. They usually wrap the shoe in this, but the box is wrapped in this, okay? Alright. The condition of the box and the packaging and the shipping, I guess I didn't make it, but yeah. All right, today, whoo, this is different. Today we have on the table the Air Jordan 40 in white, vast gray, and black. I believe this shoe, from rumors, 400 pairs, shock drop. I believe it was on Nikes and Foot Locker. I'm not too sure if both of them combined were 400 or each store had 4. I'm not too sure. But I got me a pair. I believe the shoe comes out on August 9th. All right. I think the price is going to be $205. All right. Okay. Ooh. Wow. All right. As you see, ladies and gentlemen, this is classy. It is a classy box. As you see, there's a embossed, or I mean, it is, wow, okay. New box, I guess. Oh, this box is beautiful. All right. First off, I just want to say it does have 2 tags. It has one on the paper, which is awkward. And it does have one on the box. All right. As you see, this is the Air Jordan 40, white, vast gray, black. This box is different. We're going to figure out how to open this. But first, oh, I love the graphics. As you see, it's like a metallic red on there or something like that. I'm not too sure, but beautiful box. Okay. I believe it just goes up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look here. See? Wow, let me tell you something. This lid is heavy. This is one heavy lid. No, your eyes are not deceiving you, but this is a metallic red inner box. It is, I mean, it is tough. It's different. It is different. It's definitely different. Shoe size, or lid size, is 305 by 220 by 115. You see it says game shoe 25, game shoe 17. That's a wild work. All right, I'm going to set that aside. Wow, that's shiny. Whew. That's doing things in my camera. All right. As you see, tissue paper, the use, you know. What was the use? Nothing special about the paper. Take a look. Oh, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Air Jordan 40. Quick little look. Uh-oh. Jesus Christ. Okay. I'll set those aside real quick. Alright. Alright. We do have metallic box as well. Tray, they call it. You got the lid in a tray. The tray is 305 by 220 by 115 as well. Not seeing any stamps. No stamps, no anything whatsoever. As you see, first thing that stands out, ZoomX sole. Pretty sweet. Let's take a look at some of the stitching. Now, I am going to talk about the quality. I'm not too sure if somebody else grabbed a pair from Nike, if they had the same quality issues, but I could already see that there is some creases on the shoe right at the toe box, which is kind of ridiculous. Foot Locker, you have got to do better. I'm sorry, but this is crazy work right here. Wow. Okay. Anywho, like Like I was saying, Zoom X on the sole stitching. It looks like it's just like real simple stitching, you know, it's not a lot to be seen, just like it looks just like that. Other than that, soft leather, looks like some type of material here. It feels like leather, tucked in. Other side, ooh, holographic. Okay, all right, little vent or something like that. Like it. We have the Air Zoom hit, the Air Jordan 40 hit. That's pretty dope. I like it. I did notice that this right here kind of takes me back to the Jordan 13. You know, the pattern on the sides, pretty sweet, a little nostalgic. And the tongue, definitely the tongue, you could see the tongue kind of resembles a 5 tongue. Pretty sweet, pretty neat. Little vent right here, you know what I mean? Like, yo, come on, little 5, maybe the 6s, I don't know. What y'all think? I know it's taking some hits from something. It's got a lot of, let's take a look at the back here. 40 hit with that shimmery. This is the same shimmery stuff that was on the LeBron James. I did a review on that shoe as well. Yeah, feels like the same stuff. It's like soft and feels type of wet, but pretty sweet. With the Nike Air Zoom X hit on the back, kind of nostalgic with the cement dots of the 4. So already we got some 4, 5, some 8s, 13s. Pretty sweet. Let's take a look at the inside of the shoe. How about that? Real quick with the 40 hit. Quality basketball inspired by the greatest of all time, 40. Men's size 8 tag above that 40 diamond. All right. Also, small little detail, Jordan 40 on the shoelace tips. Pretty sweet. Small little detail. Let's take a look at the bottom. Crazy pattern. 40 hit on the bottom. Pretty sweet. See-through outsole. Kept it real classic. Okay. Let's see what's on the inside. I see a shoe tree. Finally, a real shoe tree. Finally. Yes, sir. We have a real shoe tree this time. Numbers. All right. I do want to say one detail that I saw. This has like an inner booty type of deal, like the 8, the retro 8, pretty sweet. So it's got like a cuff around the ankle type deal. Kind of hard to show because it's black, but yeah, it's like a 2-piece as you see there. All right, let's take a look at the inside of the shoe. Let's see what the sole brings. Let's see. What do you think? Dream sole? Probably Dream sole. Ortholite? Probably Ortholite. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was the hardest insole to get out. So I suggest just leave it alone. Don't even do it because there's like a little bit of glue, sticky stuff on there. But here goes the tongue. Air Jordan 40. There's some writing on there. All right. Designed in Beaverton. Wow. Pretty sweet. Okay, inside stitching, as always. And it does have like this this soft stuff that is covering all the air bubbles and stuff like that, all the airbags, etc. Okay, and here's the sole. Looks like it's recycled material sole. Not too sure. I don't know if I can make anything out. Definitely cannot make anything out of this, but Here is some writing just in case. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right. And yes, this has a bunch of glue. Like I was telling you, just leave it alone. 40 diamond, yes. All right. And like I was saying, here goes the 2-piece part. It's like a booty or something like that. All right. I don't know how that's gonna feel, but pretty neat. Let's take a look at the shoe tag if I can get there. As you see, VP Factory. That's as good as it's gonna get. All right, again, this is the Jordan 40. Of course, it's gonna come with the full-length Zoom X foam, also a full-length Zoom strobo unit on top of the Zoom X, which is incredible. It's actually first time they ever did that. Herringbone pattern. I guess it's supposed to say that it's a 40-degree herringbone traction pattern, which is supposed to help you with your game, be responsive, explosive. Also, on some of the description off of Nike, I read something that's kind of giving you a hint, and I'll read it real quick to you. It does say, luge containment. Form and function, the Air Jordan 40 doesn't comprise 6 internal webbing straps combined with elevated textiles for an elite fit and feel. Uppers in premium leather, patent leather, and suede means each colorway brings a new material to your game. So what I'm saying is I don't see patent leather on this. I don't know if that's what they're referring to as this patent leather or not, but I do not see patent leather on this. So hint, maybe, you know, that's in the near future. Final takes on the shoe. I'm not going to lie. I do like it. The stance on it is kind of reminiscent of, you know, several Jordans that I enjoy. I mean, it's kind of grown on me. This shoe has a nice little appeal to it. I'm not going to lie. It's like taking me back to the old days. It screams Jordan all day. Like, you know, this whole look and feel of the shoe. I love it. And I am going to test it. And yeah. As always, if you like today's video, comment, like, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.